Hello everyone, I am Hanuman and today we are solving an interesting greedy problem, the lead code problem number 2587, rearranging array to maximize prefix score. This problem is all about sorting smartly to maximize the positive prefix sums. So we are given an integer array and we can rearrange the array in any order. So our goal is to maximize the number of positive prefix. So let's move to the example section to understand it in a very well manner. So here is a nums array which is holding the values like 2, -1, 0, 3 and so on. It is also repeating some values like -3 here and -3 here. But the output is 6. So how 6? Because output we can rearrange this array into nums equal to uh, the values are given here and the prefix will be like 2 5 6 5 2 2 and -1. So the score is 6. It can be shown that 6 is the maximum score we can obtain. So this to maximize positive prefix and place large numbers first and negative numbers later. So we sort the array in descending order to get the highest score. So here you can see all the values are in negative and the maximum value we can say is 0, and in this example also the maximum value was 6. So now let's move to the solution part. So in the solution part we are going to first sort the nums array from nums dot begin to nums dot end. And there is one more thing, that we are also using the greater int method in this solution, and then we are using assign operator like long long sum and assigning it as 0, so we can hold large values in this integer. And now we are declaring and assigning a count with 0, and now we are using a for loop to iterate on array nums, and then we are adding the value of nums in the integer sum, and then we are again using an condition if, in which if sum is greater than 0, then count will be plus plus, mean we will increment the counter value, and then we are going to return the count. So here is the solution. I will again explain line by line. So the first line, short nums. This line sorts element in descending order, and this helps positive number contribute earlier, so that it will be easy for us. And the second part, which is a long sum and int count 0. The sum stores the prefix sum, and the count store the number of positive prefix, and the for loop which processes elements one by one, and the sum plus equals to nums adds the current number into running sum. Okay, and the condition if sum is greater than 0 is to check if prefix sum remains positive increase the answer. So and then we are returning the count. So now we will run the solution first to check our both the test cases are successfully passing or not. So our both the cases have been passed successfully. Now we are going to submit the solution and check whether the solution. So here is our solution, which took approx 28 ms, and which is good by seeing the all the submissions, and our space complexity is also pretty good. So this was my solution, guys. If you like this solution, you can use in your LeetCode problem. Thank you for watching my video.